Just got this Momcozy bottle drying rack, and we have really limited counter space. I like that this one's kind of vertical. And let's see how it comes and if we have to assemble it. Since washing baby bottles takes so long, I am for anything that's gonna make it easier. I like the colors. This green is really cute. Comes with some instructions. So one thing I like about this bottle drying rack is these pieces are modular. So depending on like what size your pump parts are or what size your bottles are, you can choose to have these like rungs spaced out how you want, and then you can just kind of like snap them in and out of these spots and put them where you want them. So like if this was too many down here, then I could move it and like put one up here depending on what kind of bottles and like milk parts I wanted to put here.